Member for Colwell.
Deputy Speaker, on November 26, Pakistani security forces launched a midnight operation against unarmed, peaceful PTI protesters in Islamabad, resulting in what has been described as a massacre. About 100,000 PTI supporters were peacefully protesting and calling for accountability for election rigging, the immediate release of political prisoners and the restoration of democracy and the rule of law and the reversal of authoritarian amendments and military overreach in Pakistan. Using live ammunition and excessive force, security forces attacked violently, with unofficial sources suggesting over 400 deaths and countless injuries. The political situation in Pakistan continues to be critical since the ousting of former Prime Minister Imran Khan in April 2022 and following an assassination attempt in November 2022. Imran Khan remains incarcerated on what is described as politically motivated charges as the military-led regime continues to crush the people's dissent by launching a systemic crackdown on workers and leaders of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf party. In the 2024 general election on February 4th, despite attempts by the Electoral Commission to hinder the PTI by stripping its election symbol, the bat, they went on to receive a landslide victory, a testament to its mass support. Cornwall, Deputy Speaker, is home to a large Pakistani Australian community who have again raised their concerns regarding the deterioration of democracy in Pakistan. The PTI's Australian chapter calls on this parliament to condemn Pakistan's state-sanctioned repression, which has led to the Islamabad massacre, and to urge the restoration of democracy.
Call to member for Brisbane.